Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and I am about to change your life and your money mindset. So, rumor around the street is you guys want to become a YouTuber, an influencer, and make some side income. So clearly, I have made a class jump. I went from basic to rich, and you can too. So I'm gonna show you guys exactly how much money I made on YouTube in 2020 and explain to you guys what everything means, how you guys can make money as an influencer, and I'll teach you guys how influencers make money and kind of lift the veil and gatekeeping that has been around for the last 10 years. I also feel like this is so important to show you guys so you guys know in case you want to go into the field or you want this as a side income. I had to use a little bit of a hook. These bags are actually from past purchases I've made. I do want to cut them up and frame them for a collage, so they've kind of been sitting in my closet, so disclaimer. So let's straight away get into how much money I made on YouTube in 2020. All right, everyone, let's get into why you're here. You want to know the tea. You want to know how much I made from YouTube. And you know what? I'm going to tell you because you guys are my besties. So I have my laptop. Since I got monetized, I was monetized in August of 2020. I started YouTube in March, so it took me about 4 months to get monetized, which is a bit fast for most people, so keep that in mind. So in the 5 months I was monetized, I have made $7,827.43. All right, that's a lot of coin. I made around $8,000 of extra income this year. That is life-changing money. I can easily pay off some of my student loans or just pay off my rent for a few months, and that is something that I want you guys to have as well. The more my channel grows and the more money I make from this, I really want to give back to you guys, and I really truly want to help you guys as much as I can and give you guys these secrets and tools to grow and learn with me. I want all of us to be abundant, happy, and free. Money just is freedom. Money gives you freedom and allows you to live the life you want to live. I think it's really important, especially during these times where everything is unpredictable, creating multiple streams of income and getting your shit together. If you're with me and on this journey, I need you guys to comment down below and let me know if you want me to tell you how to make a bomb-ass YouTube channel so you can also secure the bag and become an influencer, because I am also tired of these influencers who don't make impactful change and help their audience. I am letting you guys know right now, I am going to do my best to help every single one of you and be of service to society rather than show off and flaunt my money and spend things on ridiculous stuff. Hopefully I can help you guys create that type of freedom so you can be of service and help and make a positive change in this world. Let me explain the process how YouTubers get paid directly from YouTube just for making videos on their platform. Over here in my analytics, you'll see something called RPM and CPM. So CPM is how much advertisers pay per 1,000 views on your YouTube channel. So that is what they're actually paying YouTube. Your RPM is what is going in your pocket. So that is basically your cut from YouTube. It's usually around half. In December, I did end up doing Vlogmas, which I posted every single day. So that really lowered my RPM and CPM. My CPM is usually around $15 to $25 depending on the content. But since I was doing a lot of home content, vlogs, and food videos, my CPM did go down a little bit, but that is totally fine. It just depends on what type of content you make. I know if you make financial videos or tech videos, they have the highest CPM, and I believe cooking and photography tend to have the lowest CPM, so just keep that in mind if you are planning to start a YouTube channel. My first YouTube check, I received $409.50. YouTube holds on to your AdSense until you break the threshold of $100. Okay, so let's just say you get monetized in January. You'll be paid from the 1st to the 31st. That January paycheck will be in your account by February 21st. So YouTube pays on the 21st of every month. You're not gonna see your YouTube money until the very next month. So just keep that in mind if you're gonna go full in with YouTube. Also, you guys, you have to know that influencers make money in several different ways. It's obviously Google AdSense. So you set up a Google AdSense account. YouTube has a new requirement where you have to receive about 1,000 subscribers and hours of watch time before you are able to monetize your videos. I will mention that YouTube has an extensive creator program which explains to you guys how to make your channel, how to make your thumbnails, how to win over the algorithm and get consistent views. YouTube is set up for you to succeed. In my opinion, YouTube is the best platform and the most helpful and one that actually cares about its creators. Make sure you're researching and utilizing all the tools if you do YouTube, but there are different ways too. On Amazon, there is affiliate links. So you're probably like, what is an affiliate and how do I do that? You set up an account. When people click the links that you provide, you get a percentage of the sale from that product, or if they purchase something else from Amazon, you still get a little bit of a kickback, but it's obviously not as much. Another way you guys can make money is by sponsorships. Once you hit around 10,000 followers, I would say that's a good amount. You can start doing sponsorships and charging for your Instagram or YouTube or whatever social platform you use. Keep in mind your engagement has to be good. If you have about 10,000 followers, if you're getting like 1,000 likes, that's a pretty good engagement, so you can charge. Keep in mind the better your engagement, the more you can charge. So if you can provide a company proof with your affiliate links, or even on YouTube, you can show them your analytics or the views you're getting. That's really helpful for you to get a number that you're comfortable with and that is comfortable for the company. I would love to make a whole video on how to do YouTube and do it successfully so you can kind of turn this into a job. I have a lot of successful YouTube friends. They have millions of subscribers and they've been doing this for years. I feel like I have these amazing secrets that no one knows about and I am not going to gatekeep them. So if you guys really want to learn from the best, please let me know. I've only done one sponsorship on my channel. I personally don't accept any sponsorships unless I truly love the brand. So you're probably wondering, how much can I charge? So for someone who's a micro influencer, you can charge around $500 to $5,000 depending on how big your channel is. So this is a range from you having 10,000 subscribers to 200,000. Once you're above 200,000, you're not considered a micro influencer anymore and you can start charging brands a little more. Once you get into the millions, you're in the big ballpark and that's when you can start charging 5 to 10,000 to even 30,000 depending on what type of content that you're making. Obviously, if you get millions of subscribers and you get millions of views, you can charge way more. That's just kind of like a general ballpark. There are different programs like Social Blue Book where you can log in and get a range of what to charge. Those websites kind of under predict how much you should be charging. So make sure when a brand reaches out to you, you aim higher than what you think your rate is going to be because they are going to negotiate you. I'm going to give you guys some real talk. We are in a global pandemic and a recession, and we don't know what is going to happen. Even for me personally, just getting furloughed earlier last year, I was really reliant on my full-time job for my income. And that really shook me because I was not having any income coming in for 6 months. YouTube is definitely like an ex you put a lot of hard work into, and somehow eventually they change. It took me 4 months of hard work and making free content for me to even be able to monetize my videos. So just know, whatever time and investment you put into your YouTube channel is what you're gonna get back. When I started my YouTube channel, I honestly did it as a creative outlet. It wasn't something I was looking at for money. And it's something that I have genuine fun with. And then once I started making money from it and seeing how much money people can make, I feel like a lot of people don't know you can make a lot of money from social media and doing YouTube. So I just wanted you guys to be aware that this is an option for you guys. I want to reiterate, you do not need the fanciest camera, a mic, setup, and lighting. You can start with your iPhone. If you go back to my first videos, the quality, the audio, everything was bad, but I was just growing and now my quality is a lot better. People love to see someone relatable than someone who's overproduced and almost like a television show. I personally love watching people who like vlog on their iPhone. It feels way more authentic to me and I feel like the content is just so much better when you're not worried about being perfect. Another benefit I have gained from YouTube is confidence. If you have self-confidence issues, baby, you're gonna learn, because YouTube, you cannot be afraid to look ugly or YouTube is not for you. In turn, I've become so much more confident with myself and just putting myself out there and being unfiltered. Also, just having a creative outlet is amazing. YouTube has saved my mental health, and it has made me so happy because it gives me something to do and look forward to, and just engaging with you guys in the community and just becoming you guys' friends. And I know that a lot of people could benefit from some type of mental stimulation. Editing is really complicated, but it's something fun and something new to learn as well. And just filming yourself and getting comfortable with the camera and just sharing your story. I also wanted to talk about people's money and abundance mindset. Money is energy, and the way you feel about money is how money is going to feel about you. If you're always going to be in that broke mentality, you will stay a broke. Once you start allowing yourself to have financial freedom, you will start attracting more avenues of money. Start a small business. Social media is so impactful. You can make an Instagram store. You can start advertising yourself on Instagram like this. So you guys just need to try. The only way to break out of a low abundance mindset is to realize that money can come easily to you. And once you realize that and start putting in the work, having these creative outlets and even starting like a small business and just having fun with it, that's when money starts pouring in. And that's definitely something that I've seen with myself and how I manifest more money into my life. Also, it is so important to express gratitude even if you don't like your job or where you are right now. It's getting you to the next step. Obviously, there's a lot of things that go into creating multiple streams of income, and there's a lot of privilege involved, and I totally understand that, but just know that free tools are available to you online. I learned most of the things in life and made the most money from things I've learned through the internet. The internet is a free educational resource, and I encourage you to use it and utilize it. And another thing is with YouTube, YouTube is growing, and there is room for every single person on YouTube. Anyone can have a platform these days. Just because you think like, oh, like who am I? No, you're gonna have a platform on YouTube too. You have to just put it out there and focus. At first, I wasn't sure if people were gonna watch me or my vlogs, and I was wrong. So I hope this video was helpful for you guys. Just a clear view, how much I'm making, a little bit about money mindset. Okay, you guys, I'll see you guys next Sunday. Bye.